Hello. We're on the water still. This is our third one. I hear the kingfisher. Did you hear that? I don't know where he is. He's somewhere over there though. He makes a cat. Oh, he's up in that tree. It's a big tree over there. It's up near the top. Let's just see a dot of white. Hey, boy, is that... Did you see how interesting that fly was? Okay, we can't see him. Oh! Airplane up there. Okay. So I think we're going to head out for open water. Oh wait, Umi is still there. Or is he there again? Has he already gone swimming or is he listening to the news? I think he's listening to the news. I'm going to zoom in on him. Oh, can't see him. Keep turning. I just love the colors. The green of the water. The reflections. That's why I like kayaking by shore. There's so much to see. There's something at the base of that. Maybe it's nothing. No, that's nothing. See all the blue damselflies? And there's a mayfly in the water. Oh, look at that. That's where the deer come and drink. See how there's a pathway there? See right there? There's a little pathway. That's where the deer come to drink. I like darners. They're the huge dragonflies. I like them best. There's a Canada darner, which is a huge green dragonfly. I heard the... I guess that was the... Was that the cedar waxwing? Look at this one. This dragonfly right there. Oh, it's so shiny and bright. I hear that shrill call. That shrill call up there is cedar waxwing. There should be 5 or 6 of them up there, wherever it is. It's an Amsterdam trunk stump. My goodness, that sun is so bright. I cannot see where I'm going. Well, Willem is now gone. He must have gone to swim. Uh-oh, I hear a boat. That means I'm about to get a big wake. Oh no, it's not a boat. It's a four-wheeler. I'm safe. Oh my gosh, look at this dragonfly on me. He just left. He's on my arm. We go close enough to the shore, then the sun will be out of our faces. Oh look, Willem is there. What does that mean? Has he not gone swimming yet? He's still listening to the news? Or is he swimming out here? It could be. Man, that sun is so bright. I'm blinded by the sunlight. It's right in my face. Well, he just cleared off the chair for me, so maybe he's already been swimming. It's a short swim. Oh, look at that. Oh my. Here we go. Did you already go swimming?
Yeah.
Well, that was quick.
Well, the water was pretty dirty.
Oh.
The deer fly was zooming about.
What is all this stuff? Is this pollen?
What?
I guess this is pollen, isn't it?
No idea what it is.
I think so.
It's different on the other beach is different.
What's it look like on the other beach?
Well, let's go to the little slivers in the water, and it smelled like shit.
You just said that on YouTube.
Okay, I'll edit it out. No, I won't.
At least you could have said shice or something.
Well, you know.
All right. Well, I guess it's time to get out. I have perfected the way to get out. First, I hand the camera to Willem. That's part of my perfect way. So I don't tip over with the camera. Okay, I'm ready to hand you the camera.
Okay.
Can you just put it down on the ground? It's on a tripod.
Okay. Here we
Hold
are.
on, and this is with it.
Okay,
Carry that
hold on.
with it.
Yeah, got it.
And then point it to me.
Point it to you.
There, but now you have to open the tripod. Tilt it down.